Madripoor Silly Valley, a whimsical adventure awaits in the heart of Silly Valley, where the air buzzes with laughter and innovation, lies the eccentric realm of Madripoor. It's not just an office space, it's an adventure waiting to unfold. Picture this: one fine morning, the staff at Wacky Widgets, Incorporated stumbled upon an ancient map hidden in the dusty corner of their storage room. The map, adorned with whimsical illustrations and cryptic notes, hinted at a legendary treasure buried somewhere within the building. Curiosity piqued, the team, along with their neighbors from Gaggle of Geeks and Silly Science Solutions, joined forces to decipher the clues. They soon discovered that the treasure was rumored to be the Golden Giggle, a mystical artifact said to grant its holder unlimited creative power and a perpetual sense of humor. As they embarked on their treasure hunt, the employees transformed their offices into bustling headquarters of investigation. Wacky Widgets fashioned absurd gadgets to help with their quest, while the Gaggle of Geeks coded an app to track their findings in real time. Silly Science Solutions concocted outlandish potions to enhance creativity, or one sip of their inspiration infusion, and you'd be spinning tales of delight and wonder. The first clue led them to the colorful break room, where a giant, inflatable unicorn guarded a hidden compartment beneath its sparkly mane. After a series of hilarious mishaps, think balloon animals popping and snacks flying everywhere, the team unearthed the second clue, a riddle that hinted at the importance of collaboration. Together we thrive, in laughter we grow, unite our ideas, let the magic flow. Seek the place where the light always beams, your treasure awaits, beyond wild dreams. Fueled by the thrill of the chase, they ventured into the grand conference room, which was filled with vibrant murals depicting whimsical scenes of Silly Valley. There, in the middle of the room, stood a giant disco ball that sparkled like the stars. As they turned it, a hidden compartment swung open, revealing an old film reel labeled The Secret to Endless Laughter. As they played the reel, a kaleidoscope of colors erupted from the screen, filling the room with laughter and inspiration. The film showed how the world became a brighter place when creativity flourished, an adventure in unity that encouraged collaboration among the quirky companies of Madripoor. In a twist of fate, the final treasure wasn't a physical item but rather the friendships and shared experiences they had throughout the journey. Inspired by their escapade, the tenants decided to transform the treasure map into a marketing campaign, inviting other innovative minds to join them in the magical realm of Madripoor. Now, Madripoor isn't just a destination for talented companies, it's a beacon of creativity, inviting dreamers from around the world to make their mark in Silly Valley. The adventure had painted a bright future for the gifted and clever, proving that in this whimsical hub, imagination knows no bounds. With every new tenant, the legacy of the Golden Giggle lives on, encouraging a playful spirit that's infectious. So, whether you're a tech guru, a whimsical inventor, or simply someone with a brilliant idea, Madripoor Silly Valley welcomes you to embark on your own adventure in innovation. Madripoor Silly Valley, a playful hub for innovators. Location, 940 South Chuckleberry Boulevard, Silly Valley, Madripoor. Overview: nestled in the bustling, tech-fueled heart of Silly Valley, Madripoor is a quirky avant-garde sanctuary where creativity knows no bounds. This vibrant space has become a playground for the ingenious and eccentric minds of our time, making it the ideal home for companies eager to unleash their wildest ideas. The property has been transformed into a kaleidoscope of color and whimsy, attracting trailblazers from around the globe. Notable tenants: Wacky Widgets, Incorporated, specializing in bizarre gadgets that are both functional and fun. Gaggle of Geeks, a team of code wizards who create apps that make users giggle. Silly Science Solutions, pioneering absurd yet brilliant inventions for everyday problems. KPI highlights: target cap rate, 9.5% post-renovation, projected NOI, $589,000 per year, valuation price, $6,200,000, total square feet, 14,500 SF, price per square foot, $427, triple constrained model, cost, quality, and speed. Cost constrained objective: maintain or optimize costs to achieve a 9.5% cap rate. Plan: strategically allocate the renovation budget for upgrades that enhance tenant quality without overspending. KPI, valuation, $6,200,000, price per SF, $427, target NOI, increase from $400,000 per year to approximately $589,000 per year by securing whimsical tenants. Quality constraint objective: attract fun, innovative businesses that embody the quirky spirit of Silly Valley. Plan: create a tenant mix that includes humorous and imaginative companies, enhancing the property's charm. KPI, target tenants, whimsical works, chuckle tech, and absurd innovations. Projected NOI, reach $589,000 per year by attracting tenants who appreciate a playful work environment. Speed constrained objective: quickly renovate and lease the property to maintain a steady cash flow. Plan: implement a rapid process for renovations and tenant negotiations to minimize downtime. KPI, lease turnover time, aim for a maximum of 3 months from vacancy to new tenant lease signing. Colorful synopsis. Welcome to Madri Vibe Silly Valley. This whimsical property, affectionately known as Silly Vibe Industrial Park, features 14,500 SF of flexible space just waiting for innovative companies to make it their own. The location boasts incredible visibility on Chuckleberry Boulevard, ensuring everyone passing by gets a taste of the quirky enterprises within. With its vibrant ambience and playful design elements, Madri Vibe is not just a place to work, it's a creative haven where the future of business is as colorful as its tenants. Key data to make this a hot deal: increase NOI, secure tenants like Chuckletech who will pay a premium for a vibrant workplace. Upgrade the facility, invest in fun design elements and amenities that attract creative businesses. Capitalize on location, market the property as a branding opportunity for companies looking for exposure and flair. Swift renovation, ensure rapid renovations that maintain the fun vibe while meeting modern standards. Through this strategic plan with a focus on cost, quality, and speed, Silly Vibe Industrial Park is poised to transform into a competitive and playful property in the Silly Valley real estate market, attracting unique businesses and achieving the desired 9.5% cap rate.